Welcome to Technology Trends. Today we are taking a closer look at the brand new Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. A true budget 5G piece that brings some seriously impressive features like a 120Hz display, big battery and a sleek Samsung design. All at a surprisingly low price. Let's dive into what makes this phone a killer value in 2025. The Galaxy A17 5G features a 6.6-inch FHD Plus PLS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, giving you smoother scrolling and a better gaming experience, something rarely seen at this price point. Design-wise, it sticks to Samsung's clean and minimal look with a matte finish, plastic back, slim bezel and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset and a reliable, efficient 5G processor perfect for daily use, social media streaming and even live gaming. You get 6GB or 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, expandable via micro SD. It runs One UI 6.1 core based on Android 14 with Samsung's promise of 2 years of OS updates and 4 years of security patches. The A17 5G packs a massive 5000 mAh battery, easily lasting up to 2 days on moderate use. It also supports 25W fast charging, so you can go from 0 to 50% in under 30 minutes. Perfect for busy lifestyle. On the camera side, you get a 50 megapixels main sensor that delivers solid daytime shots along with a 2 megapixels depth sensors for a portrait mode. For selfies, there is an 8MP front camera with face unlock and portrait enhancements. Night mode and AI scene optimization are also included. Nice touches for this price segment. The Galaxy A17 5G is expected to be priced at around $179 to $199 USD, depending on region and RAM configuration. It will roll out first in India and Southeast Asia in August 2025, followed by select markets in Europe and the Middle East. So you are looking for a reliable, smooth, affordable 5G phone that nails the basics. The Galaxy A17 5G should definitely be on your radar. Let me know in the comments, would you pick this over a Redmi or Realme in the same price range? If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.